time no see, folks. So we have a new install today. Actually, I think I recorded like, I want to say 5 to 6 other videos for everybody installing my walnut blasted. I got an upgrade for the SoCal V3 now for the turbo. I did full TGV deletes. I put in the radium catch cans. I feel like I did one other install, but I did that over winter break. I filmed it, and then the GoPro corrupted half of the files, and then the volume was acting kind of crazy. So I didn't edit that, but that'll be a different video on catching you guys up on the mods. Anyways, we are going for a louder exhaust. So today, we have this big guy, which isn't really too big, and it's fairly light. But what's going on is we're taking the Invidia N1 exhaust that I had, and this is the delete for it. So, this is gonna be fun. I can't wait to get it on. So, we're basically gonna record me putting it on. Maybe I might speed it up, I might not record, because literally it's from the intermediate pipe out, so it's not that hard of an install. Unbolt one side, bolt it in, put it through the hanger, done. So, anyways, good to be back. Hope everybody's being safe and healthy during the quarantine. And yep, interesting. See you guys soon. All right, so quick tip for taking this guy out. Okay, so this is your passenger side hanger, that's your driver side hanger, and then down there is your mid pipe hanger. It's definitely easier to push this guy and get him off the hanger first, push him or pull him forward, push the hanger all the way back. Yeah, I don't want to say yank it, but he'll kind of slide off. I put WD-40 in for like literally a minute. It came off super easy. Follow that by this guy right here. That's your driver side hanger. It's the low one on a low point. And then this whole section will be off, which makes it super easy to take off your mid pipe hanger. Slides right out. So here it is. Here's the single exit burnt tip. Looks super nice. The welds are really nice. Hangers look good, so that'll be cool. Okay, looks good, looks good. Everything down to this hanger back here looks fine. So we're gonna mate it back up and see how it looks in car, but super dope. I'm happy with that. All right, before we do our first startup with this, thanks to SBTK and Tucker for all his help. Shout out to them, because looks like a dope piece. It fit right in, no issues whatsoever. The hangers went in fine, the welds look dope. So I'm kind of cool. I kind of like how it sticks out from the bumper, because I was scared it would sit back too far in the bumper. Perfect. We're gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Let's see.